ridiculous. I don't think I've had this much stuff for a long time, but I'm going over for a few weeks and I'm hosting a family, so I've got a lot here that I normally don't have. Well, with that much stuff, that much gear, fun shall be had. I'm almost done packing the car. Okay, and I'll come get you. That's a good girl. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Maxine, we got a few more minutes. Yeah, you saw right. That thing's still in my life. So you can see pretty chaotic in my little tiny house. I'm turning everything upside down. Where'd all the food go? Oh, it must be outside. I'm turning everything upside down in order to squeeze more people in here. You'll see. Damn, this thing's in bad shape. I don't think I'm taking it to podcast plan. Yep. You seem to have fully recovered from the journey. Whole house smells like apple pie. Wow. Izzy's pie. I'm not sure. I think this must be the apple pie. I didn't have enough room in my freezer, so I'm baking it off tonight for the arrival of Hugh and Eleanor tomorrow. Oh, what a treat. Looking forward to having a baby in the house? Thanks. Hi. It's unbelievable how big they are. I don't think I've ever seen it like this. And they're perfectly round. How strange. I hope it doesn't dent the car. I'm not kidding. Yeah. The ones, yeah, right here in the middle, because these ones over here we can get when the guys have gone.
Yeah.
But this is super helpful. Remember when we put crates over the plants?
Oh, yeah.
But they're too big this year. Wow. Gravity. Whoa. We just started a few days ago, but already everywhere I look, acorns are starting to pile up. It's windy today. We had already decided we weren't going to go out today, have a day off, but I'm really glad I'm not out there in the wind. I've just come to check on. So this is the hard part, is drying them out and working around weather situations. Wind is good, wind dries them out faster. But if it rains, we need to package them up, roll them up, and protect them from the water. And then unroll them after the rain is gone. It's quite a lot of work. It's probably about 120 kilos of acorns right there. Maybe more, maybe 200 kilos. And then these are ones that haven't popped out of their shells yet. So some more. So these are ones that at the tree were firmly in their shell. We don't want to break them. So we leave them out here to dry. And they're still not ready. And then eventually they will roll right out of their shells. Let's see. So you want to make sure you don't force them out, because when you do, you tear off the top. And if you tear off the top like that, it's most likely going to get moldy in storage. Sorry about that, acorn. This is what we've done so far in 4 working days. Just Hugh and I mostly. We've had a little bit of help, but I would say the majority of this is just 2 people. Thanks so much for watching, for hyping in the first week, and I will see you soon.